Hi, it's Scott from Tentworld Brendale, and today I'll be looking at the Pro Nano Solo Cookset and we'll show you some of the contents. The Pro Nano Solo Cookset is a two-piece cookset with hard anodized aluminium construction, heat-resistant handles. It's easy to clean, abrasion and corrosion resistant, comes with a mesh bag with a total weight of 300 grams. It includes a 1.2 litre pot, a 0.6 litre pot, a silicone lid, a nylon scourer pad and a mesh storage bag. The cookset also can hold a 100 gram propane cartridge and burner. These aren't included, but Pro Nano also have a cartridge and burner. And you've got a handy little mesh bag. So that's the Pro Nano cookset, and in our further videos we'll be looking at the Pro Nano Duo cookset and the Pro Nano Squad cookset, which are all available at Tentworld Brendale.